Introduction to English for Tour Guide course. E-Lecture 1 for Lesson 1. Content. In this e-lecture, we're going to discuss about the lesson objectives, how to study in this course, the assignments, the online communities, the course guide, and how to ask questions. Lesson objectives. After finishing this lesson, you are expected to be able to follow the lessons and also to give an explanatory speech. How to study in this course. When you want to study in this course, what you need to do is, first, open the lesson in this website and then study the lesson starting from lesson 1. Remember to study only one lesson at a time. Repeat the videos and the e-lecture as many times as you want until you really understand. Take notes of important points. The text version of the lectures is provided below each lesson, but I recommend you to take notes instead of just downloading the text files so that you can improve your listening skill. And then do the exercises. There will be exercises for you to do in each lesson. Sometimes the exercise is only to check your understanding, but sometimes score will be collected too. After finishing your lesson, you can discuss the lesson with your friends in the Google Groups, WhatsApp group, or in the live session. But before joining the live session, you have to register yourself first. Look at the live session calendar page. Check the schedule, choose your available time, and then write your name down in the table at least a day before the D-Day. Live session will be conducted on Hangouts on Air. But to be able to join Hangouts on Air, you have to have a Gmail account. So make sure you have a Gmail account. If you need to understand more about Hangouts on Air, check out the course guide page. There will be videos explaining about this. Join the live session once a week for every lesson. In this live session, you can discuss and ask questions about the lesson and also about the assignment. After the live session, start doing your assignment as soon as possible. Submit it before the deadline. Assignments. Your assignments can be in any form, but since this is a speaking course, mostly they will be in the form of creating video recordings. You can create videos by using your cell phones, video camera, or laptop camera. Use whichever easy for you. Your assignments sometimes have to be done individually, sometimes in pairs, and sometimes in groups. If your assignment is a pair work or group work, but you cannot meet up with your friends offline because you live far from your friends, for example, you can meet up with them online. Hangouts on Air can be used for creating videos. In these assignments, you might be asked to do an interview with someone, create a dialogue or conversation, or you can also be asked to make a presentation. After you create the video, post it on YouTube. Submit the assignment by sharing the link on the Google group under the topic of lesson assignment. Online communities. There will be 2 discussion groups in this course, WhatsApp group and Google group. WhatsApp group is for light everyday topic. WhatsApp group is not a must. If you don't have this application in your cell phone, you can still join this course. The other group is Google group. Google group is for lesson discussion. Joining this group is a must because this is also the place where you submit your assignments. Course guide. Check out course guide page to have more information about this course. In the course guide page, there will be tutorial videos such as videos of how to start Hangouts on Air video call, how to upload videos on YouTube, how to look up words in online dictionary, etc. And then finally, how to ask questions. There are many ways to ask questions. First, you can ask via Google Group. The disadvantage of asking questions in this forum is that the answer might not be so soon. However, it will be focused since there is a specific room for each topic. Now, another way to ask questions is by asking via WhatsApp group. The advantage of asking in this group is that you can have quick answer, but there is also a possibility your question will be piled up with other topic and forgotten. The third way is by asking in the live session. This is actually the best way because by asking orally, you can practice speaking. However, you have to be patient to wait until it's your live session schedule. To conclude, these are what you need to know about this online course. If you need more information, especially about how to do this and that, open the course guide and watch the tutorial videos. Don't forget that there is the text version of all lectures which can be downloaded, but I recommend you to download it only if you really need it.